guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how easy you can create welcome autumn art for print in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, let's start. I have opened Adobe Illustrator and also I have created my simple document A4 size. And now I will switch to curvature tool, and to create my shape I will create my first curvature point. To create my first curvature point, I will click anywhere in my document and voila. And now I will continue creating my shape, just like this. After I closed my shape, definitely I need to adjust it. First of all, I would like to delete this unnecessary extra curvature point. I will click on it to highlight it and I will click delete. If I would like to adjust any curvature point in my shape, I will simply click on it and I will adjust it without switching to any other tool. Time to apply colors. I would like to apply gradient colors, so I will switch to gradient, and in gradient properties panel I will specify radial gradient and I will click on edit gradient. Definitely I would like to change my colors. I will double click on a color stop in gradient slider, just like that, and I will specify color I would like to use. And now I will click on another color stop to use another color, just like this, or maybe this, and I'm happy. Guys, definitely you can use any colors you like. Also, you can adjust your gradient slider to make any of your color stops dominating. So, in my case, I'm happy with everything. The last thing I would like to add, I would like to change color for my stroke. I will click on stroke and I will specify this dark brown color, and also I will increase stroke size. And now I'm happy. I will switch to layers panel. I will expand my layer, and first of all I will duplicate my shape, just like this, and using copy of my shape I will move it and I will rotate it, just like this. Now I will duplicate my new shape and I will rotate and reposition my new shape one more time, just like this. So guys, now we have created half of our pumpkin. Let's continue working on our pumpkin. I will unlock my original shape. I will duplicate it and I will rotate and reposition my new shape. Duplicate, copy of my original shape, just like this, maybe more. And what I will do now, yes guys, you are right, I will duplicate same shape and I will rotate a new duplicated shape. I will reposition and I will rotate. Now guys, I have a beautiful pumpkin. What I would like to do, I would like to create a back side of my pumpkin. So I will duplicate my last shape we just created and I will move it just like this, and I resize it just slightly. Now I will duplicate same shape and I will do same. I will move it and I will rotate it just like this. Look at this. Now we have our pumpkin. What I would like to do now, I would like to create a stem for my pumpkin. I will move it in the middle, just like this. Let's expand layers panel. I will switch back to my curvature tool and I will create my pumpkin stem, just like that. If you would like to add straight a curvature line, double click on curvature point and voila, you will be able to create a straight line. Very helpful in many cases, just like this. Now I would like to adjust colors. How? In the same way, I will click on that I would like to apply another gradient type. Guys, you can use any gradient type you like. I will click on edit, and first of all I would like to change my color. So I would like to use a dark green color as my main color, and secondary color will be light shade of green. And definitely I can adjust my gradient just like this. And now I'm happy. What I will do, I will switch back to my layers panel. I will unlock all my layers, all my shapes. I will highlight them all and I will group them. Object and group, just like this, and I will resize it just like that, and I will bring it down. So now we have this beautiful pumpkin, but look guys, I made mistake, so I will undo move, I will undo group my image, my layers. I will do it one more time. And I will bring my shape down without merging them together, because I think maybe I will need to adjust them later on. So this is my pumpkin. I will lock my pumpkin layer. I will create a new layer, and switching to simple ellipse tool, I will create this simple shape. We will be creating sunflower. So what I need to do right now, I would like to apply a radial gradient. I will edit a gradient, and I would like to change my colors. I would like to use dark brown color for the side of my middle flower, and I would like to add maybe light brown, just like this, for the center. Look at this, how beautiful is it. What I will do guys, I will lock this layer just in case, and I will create a new empty layer under my ellipse layer. Using same curvature tool, I will create simple shape just like this guys. Look at this. What I need to do right now, first of all, I will adjust my shape, moving my curvature points, and I need to adjust my colors. I will specify that I would like to use a linear gradient just like that, and I will click on edit gradient, and I will switch my colors. Maybe something like this and something like this. And I'm happy right now. Switching back to layers panel will help me to duplicate my flower leaf, and I will rotate it and I will move it just like this. Look at this. I will do same guys a few more times. Simple duplicate, rotate, reposition if you need. Maybe I need to reposition it. You can do anything you like. And now what I will do, I will merge my leaves just like that. I will group them like this, and I will duplicate this group. Why? Because now it's easier for me to create my entire flower using same leaves, just like this. And yes guys, same a few more times. Move, rotate, move again, one more time, maybe twice. And one more time. And rotate just like this. Beautiful flower, beautiful. What I will do now, I will group all my flower shapes just like that, and I will move it down. Now I will resize it. I will make this flower smaller, and I will reposition it in front of my pumpkin. I can add extra flower, so I will duplicate this flower. I will reposition new copy of my flower and I will size it down. Try to use different sizes of a same object. In this case, you will create a completely different story. So now I'm happy with everything. I'm happy with my pumpkin. I'm happy with my flowers. Time to add some text. I will switch to type tool and I will type very simple hello. Definitely I will need to resize my hello word. What I will do in properties panel, I will increase size just like this. Very simple, guys. Also I will adjust type. Let's see this hello, and also I will change the color. I will change to bright red color, just like that. Let's see, not this color. Let me change the color to red. Yes, and now I think I'm happy. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I will reposition it. I will switch back to my type tool and I will type hello atom, just like that. And again I will change the color because Illustrator remembers my last setting I applied to my text except my color. So I change my color and now I will move it. Guys, now we can be more creative. How? I will show to you. It's super easy. I will switch to my brush tool, paintbrush tool, and I will specify what brush I would like to use. I have opened artistic paintbrush set and I can click on any brush I would like to use, and definitely I would like to adjust color. I don't like to have any color I like feel, but I would like to use dark green color for my feel, for my stroke, just like this. Let's see. Yes, this color. I will click OK, and now I will create very simple detail, just like this. And can we create more? Definitely we can, just like that. More? Absolutely. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. How easy we can create any art, any vector art in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, as usual, I super appreciated your time. If you have any questions, just ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any your questions. If you will create anything after this tutorial, please let me know. I want to see what you will create. Again, guys, thank you so much for being with me, and I will see you later. Bye.